In the event that you find the need to reschedule your travel plans with Airpeace, you have the option to easily do so by reaching out to their customer service team. When making the request, it is essential to provide your booking details and rationale for the desired change. Depending on seat availability and the airline's policies, you may be subject to payment of a rebooking fee or fare adjustment. Acting promptly is crucial as seats tend to fill up quickly. Additionally, keep in mind that modifications to your schedule could impact other aspects of your trip, such as hotel reservations or car rentals. By maintaining open communication with the airline and being willing to be flexible with your travel dates, you can efficiently navigate the rebooking process to ensure a stress-free journey.
Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.